Hello everyone, welcome to online learning. I hope you all are well now. Presently, we are facing an unpredictable situation, but we have to continue our studies. That's why we are following some pattern here. Regarding online classes, whatever interaction done with the students, same video are recorded and present here, and this video is regarding accept a word and remove the duplicate letter, which is applicable for both present class 10 and as well as those who are going to give ICSC 2020 computer application.
Accept a word and remove the duplicate letter and print the word. So if input is APPLICATION application, APLICTON application. See application in application, P twice repeat there, I also, A also. We are removing this. So what is the concept? What concept we can apply here? String st is a variable where we accept the word, then find out the length, and string st1 is null. String st1 is null. String st1, you can see here, string st1 is null. Then for loop will continue. For int I equals to 0, I less than l, I plus plus, char ch equals to st dot char I. If input is application, in 0th index we have A, in 1 index we have P, in 2 index we have P, 3 index we have L, 4 index we have I, 5, then 6, 7, I think caret method, length method, it is clear to everyone, and as well as index of also. For kind information, again I repeat about the index of and caret. Caret will accept the index and return the character, and index of will accept the character and return the index. So 9, n is 10, and length of application is 11. So I is 0. In ch what we have? Char ch st dot caret I, st dot caret I. In 0th index we have A. If we store this one to ch, that means in A we store to ch. After that, if we give a condition st1 dot index of ch equal to -1, what is the meaning of this statement, conditional statement? st1 is null. st1 is null. If you see in st1 we have null, nothing is there. st1 dot index of ch we have A. So in case of index of, if the given character, in case of index of, if the given character not present in the string, then it will show -1, then it will show -1. So in case of this conditional statement, st1 dot index of ch equal to -1, condition is being satisfied. Why satisfied? Because in st1 we have null. Null is a st1 is a string where null is there. So a is not present in st1, so that's why st1, you can see here, st1 equals to st1 plus ch. That means we are updating the st1 like this. st1 equal to
Sir,
st1. Yes.
Sir, can you please repeat this part once more?
Which one?
From ST, that part.
String st is the input. An input is given application, length, and string st1 is null. String st1 is null. And what is string? A set of character is called string. And string index will start from 0. You can see application. A belongs to 0th index, P belongs to 1 index. Again, P belongs to 2 index. L belongs to 3 index. By this way, each and every character having their own index, and length of this string is 11. If length is 11, then highest index is 10. So by continuing this loop, I equal to 0, st dot caret I, that means in 0th index we have A is stored to ch, A is stored to ch. Now st1 dot index of ch, that means this A character not belongs to st1. That's why st1 equal to, if the condition is satisfied. Again I repeat, in case of index of, if the given character not present in the string, then it will return -1. So condition is satisfied. If the condition is satisfied, then we'll write st1 equal to st1 plus ch, st1 equal to st1 plus ch. So earlier in st1 we have null. Earlier st1 we have null, this one. And now after this condition is being satisfied, now in st1 we have a. We have a. Then again, as per the iteration, loop will continue and the value of I became 1. In one index, you can see in one index we have P. You can see in one index we have P. And now the status of this st1 became A. Now in st1 we have A. So P is not belongs to this st1. P is also not belongs to this present st1. So this one became, this condition is satisfied. This one became -1. Then again st1 equals to ch. Presently in st1 we have A. And now
Sir, I can't understand the part of the condition if st1 dot index part.
st1 index, that's why you need to know about the, for this reason you need to know about the use of index of. In beginning I told index of method will accept a character and it will return the index of this given character. Like in st we have application. If we give I, then it will return 4. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
So in case of index of, you have to give the character. That means if you give C, then what you index of will return?
5.
5. Like this, if the given character not present in the string, then it will return -1. If you concentrate on st1 null is there. So first, when we put A is not present in st1. That's why it will return -1 and condition is satisfied. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now in st1, when the value of I became 1, when the value of I became 1, in one index we have P, and st1 we have A. So index of ch means in ch we have P. So P is not present in st1. Yes, it is correct. In st1 we have A, P is not present. So it's became, now ST1 became AP. After that, the value of here, please concentrate here. The logic is hidden here because I became 2. As per the iteration of loop, I became 2. In 2 index, you can find out P is there. And now the status of ST1, now the status of ST1 is became AP. Now the status of ST1 became AP. So AP means now the ST1 is became AP. So AP, in APP is there. Yes, in APP is there. So condition is not satisfied. Again, I repeat here. Presently ST1 is updated and this ST1 became AP. Presently ST1 is updated. Presently in ST1 we have AP dot index of CH. In CH we have P. So P is belongs to which index of ST1? Definitely as per the updated option of this ST1, P is belongs to 1 index. So this condition is not satisfied. If this condition is not satisfied, then P will not added. P will not added with this ST1. P will not added. Which P? The second P. That means in 2 index, whatever P is there, it will not added here because this condition is not satisfied. Like this, the value of I became 3. The value of the value of I became 3. In 3 index we have L. In 3 index we have L. So again now in ST1 we have AP. L is not belongs to this ST1, so condition is satisfied. And with ST1 this L is updated, so now L, this one became like this. Then the value of I became 4. In 4 index I is there, and ST1 is updated with APL. So in APL I is not present there. In APL I is not present there. Then what happened? This condition is satisfied and we are adding I there. Then the value of I became 5. In 5 index we have C. In 5 index we have C. And ST1 is updated with APLI. That means in ST1 C is not present. Again and again I repeat, this one is the concept. If the given character is not present in the given string, then it will return -1. And presently in ST1 we have APLI and we are taking C there. So C is not present in APLI, so it will return -1. And this condition is satisfied and C is added there. Then the value of I became 6. Then the value of I became 6. In 6, the value of I became 6. In 6 index we have A. In 6 index we have A. That means CH is A, and presently updated version of this ST1 is became APLIC. APLIC. So A is present in LIC, in which index? 0th index. So this condition is not satisfied. Then this value of this A, that means this A character will not added with this ST1. Then the value of I became 7. In 7 index we have T, but T is not belongs to this ST1. It will return -1. So T is added there. Then I, when the value of I became 8, in 8 index we have capital I. So ST1 dot index of CH now in I. In ST1 we have I. What it will return? 0, 1, 2, 3. It will return 3. So -1 condition is not satisfied. Then this I will not add there. Then the value of I became 9. In 9 index we have 0. In 9 index we have 0. Sorry, in 9 index we have O. In ST1 we have APLICT. So O also not present in this ST1. O also not present in this ST1, and this condition is satisfied. Then O is added here. O also added here. Then the value of I became 10 because L was 11 there. 10 condition is satisfied. In 10 index we have N, and in ST1 we have APLICOT, applicto, and N 10. The value of I is 10. In 10 index we have N. So n is not belongs to this st1, then n is added there. So now the updated value or updated string in st1, which is applicton. If you compare with this application and applicton, all the duplicate letters are removed from there. So this is the another concept. And whatever homework you submitted, few are submitted, few are not submitted, what I observed that this program you done with nested loop. Even you done the unique number concept also with this nested loop. With the help of this concept also we can do the unique number. What do you mean by that? Let me explain about the unique number. What is unique number? Unique number means what? uh, like computer, computer, computer. No repetition of letter, all are unique letter, no repetition of letter is there. So computer is a unique word. So we can check the unique word with this concept as well. Same concept will apply here, and we'll generate the string, new string. And if new string is same as the inputted string, then it's a unique word. Like computer, if you dry run this code with computer, what you will get? Will get computer only, because no repetition of letter. But in case of application, whenever we have repetition of letter, the condition is not satisfied, and this particular letter is not added to the string. So this is the concept about this unique word and removing the duplicate letters. Now one by one I'll ask. First I'll start with Adrita. Adrita, can you hear me? Adrita, can you hear me?
Yes.
Do you have any
Hello.
doubt about this program?
No.
Please note it down. If you have doubt, you can share with
Okay.
me so that I can solve this matter. Next one, Akash. Do you have
Okay.
any doubt? Akash?
Yes, sir. My one doubt in the for loop, why you have written I is to L in the last part?
What? I is to L?
Yes, sir. I can see I is to L only
Where?
in the for loop.
I equals to 0, I less than L.
Next one after that.
I plus plus.
Okay, sir. No doubt. No doubt.
Next, Aratika.
Yes, sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
This
Say.
part, can you explain once this st1 equal to double quotes?
st1c. Suppose we use counter. In case of number like a equal to 0. Now if you write a equal to a plus 1, so earlier the value of a was 0, now it's become 1. Correct?
Yes.
Now if you write st1 equal to null, that means in st1 no character is there, but it is a string. So if you write st1 equal to ch, and if in ch a is there, so now in st1 a is added. Now if you give b, then b is added. Now if you give c is added.
Okay.
Any doubt?
Yes, clear.
Okay. Next one, who is there? Drone.
No doubt, sir.
Next, Harsha. Harsha, are you getting me?
Sir, no doubt.
Ipsita.
No doubt, sir.
Mohit. Mohit, are you getting me? Mohit.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No doubt.
Moboni.
No doubt, sir.
Swapnil.
No doubt, sir.
Ronak. Yes, Ronak.
No doubt.
Siddharth.
No doubt.